Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and then like the video. Coming up on Spongile and the Dlamenes on Monday, Nomfundo meets a handsome stranger who shows interest in her. Nobuhle receives a visit from Mkize and Peteni opens up old wounds to that forces her to act. On Tuesday, Njengaye tries to rekindle romance with Nomfundo, but she might tired of being his mistress as the Mbambo household joyously prepares for Samke and Vuma's lobola negotiations. A hidden guest looks among them out for vengeance. On Wednesday, Nobuhle shocks Spongile when she reveals something Samke did in the past. Peteni is shaken when she sees a fool in the most unlikely of places. Thank you for watching.